Buy plumbing parts online when you need exact originals or obscure fittings, and buy in-store when you need common items today. Here is how to decide with confidence. Start by identifying the exact part using the model plate on the fixture or valve body, then match manufacturer part numbers, not just dimensions or looks. For cartridges, stems, and specialty seals, compare spline counts, stem lengths, and seat types, and read the exploded diagram from the manufacturer website to confirm the orientation and included gaskets. If the part controls safety or sealing, like pressure balancing cartridges, check revision letters since small changes can affect compatibility. When shopping online, filter by manufacturer, series, and finish. Then read buyer photos and measure threads with a ruler to confirm nominal size versus actual outside diameter. Keep a small reference kit at home, thread gauge card, plumber's grease, assortment of O-rings, and a caliper to measure inside and outside diameters before you buy. For standard items like supply lines, P-traps, wax rings, and slip joint washers, use your local store for instant replacements and bring the old part to match threads and seat profiles. Common mistakes include buying by appearance instead of part number and ending up with a near match that leaks. The fix is to photograph the old part next to a ruler, record the model number, and cross-reference the manufacturer diagram before purchase. Another mistake is ignoring thread standards, such as mixing tapered pipe threads with straight machine threads, which strips fittings or never seals. The fix is to verify labels like National Pipe Tapered or Compression, test fit gently by hand, and use the correct sealant, tape for tapered threads and no tape for compression. A third mistake is choosing the cheapest flexible supply line or valve without pressure and temperature ratings, which can burst or corrode early. The fix is to choose braided stainless lines rated for potable water, match length without sharp bends, and replace shutoff valves that do not close fully while you are there. We built bighomeprojects.com to make this easier. We help homeowners find local plumbing pros when a part is tricky or time-sensitive, and we help contractors get in front of customers who need that exact expertise. We also host a discussion community where you can post photos, confirm part numbers, and learn what to order versus what to grab locally. Our listings and community make it simple to move from diagnosis to the right part and the right person without wasted trips or risky guesses.